From luxury car chases to insane high-speed TVI maneuvers. This blue Lamborghini driver was caught speeding, unaware of the trooper right behind him, leading to an instant dose of karma. Upon observing a blue Lamborghini speeding, the trooper immediately initiated a traffic stop. No. Oh, shit. There it is. The driver failed to pay attention and nearly collided with a truck. The driver was driving normally and stopped at a traffic light, but was rear-ended by another driver who failed to pay attention. On August 26, 2024, a trooper observed a black pickup truck speeding and immediately initiated a pursuit to stop the driver.
Along 1037 with a green truck. Arkansas tags, Adam John Frank, 34 John.
Realizing he could not evade the pursuit, the suspect stopped and surrendered to the trooper.
Madison 7505.
Turn it off!
I'm done.
Turn the car off.
Yes, sir.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car!
Yes, sir.
Walk back to me. Stupid son of a... What's the point of that, huh? Because of what? Speak up.
Because,
You're a young man.
dude, I don't got my license.
You ain't got your license? And that's why you thought it was good to do that, huh?
Because
When the suspect surrendered, the trooper immediately gave him commands to exit the vehicle, then placed him in handcuffs.
Sir, please don't arrest me. Please.
Please.
Really?
You should have thought about that.
What was I supposed to do?
Stop!
What were you gonna do? You were gonna take me to jail anyway.
Was I?
Yeah, probably. To be honest, yeah.
110.
That's what you were gonna do. You were gonna take me to fucking jail.
And then you saw me, and you punched the gas. And here we are. That was dumb.
Well, what was I supposed to do?
Get the shoulder, son.
Son?
Get the shoulder.
Really?
How hard is it?
The trooper placed the suspect in custody and then proceeded to search the vehicle. After taking the suspect into custody, the trooper found marijuana inside the vehicle.
Misdemeanor weed.
September 15th, 2024, a trooper observed a red SUV speeding and immediately initiated a pursuit.
Leave me behind that vehicle. My white house is following right now.
Temple, I'm on public service with the victim.
The trooper caught up with the suspect and executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, to safely conclude the pursuit and prevent any further incidents.
TVI, Bluff, 35, 65 being our 5.
After successfully executing the tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, at 108 miles per hour, the trooper immediately exited the vehicle to place the suspect in handcuffs.
See your hands. Crossfire, I'm gonna come to you. Hands out the window. Did you see anybody get out? All right. Ejection. 10-4. Fine blood on the ejection. Hey, let's clear this vehicle real quick. Hey, stay point on him.
The troopers could not locate the suspect in the vehicle, but found him approximately 10 meters away.
It's on the 16, Mom, 16.
Temple.
Hey, man. Hey, you okay? Weapon where? Nice. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Hey, man. Hey. Hey.
After locating the suspect, the troopers began searching his vehicle in an attempt to find evidence or contraband.
No need double up. Notify supervisor. Got 15. Go ahead and start the next 10-11 as well.
Temple.
The troopers placed the suspect in handcuffs and transported him to jail for processing related to the incident.
Yeah, let me grab some. Yeah. You got a little blood on you too. Oh shoot, I forgot I got some. Yeah, leave it already prepared.